Hello and welcome back to English classes online. Today we are making tenses super easy to understand. We will break them down into past, present, and future. And I will give you plenty of examples so you can use them confidently in your speaking and writing. Let's dive right in. Number one, the present tense, talking about now. The present tense is used to describe what is happening right now, things that are always true or habits that you do regularly. We have a few common types. A. Present simple for habits, facts, and general truths. For example, I go to school every day. The sun rises in the east. She loves chocolate. B. Present continuous, used for actions happening right now. For example, I am speaking to you right now. They are playing football in the park. She is reading a book. C. Present perfect for actions that happened at an unspecified time before now or that started in the past and continue. For example, I have visited London twice. She has lived here for 5 years. We have just finished dinner. D. Present perfect continuous. We use this for actions that began in the past and are still actions that began in the past and are still continuing. For example, I have been studying English for 2 hours. She has been working here since January. 2. The past tense, talking about yesterday and before. The past tense describes actions that already happened. A. Past simple is used for completed actions in the past. For example, I visited grandmother last week. They watched a movie yesterday. She cooked rice for dinner. B. Past continuous for actions happening at a specific time in the past. For example, I was watching TV when you called. They were playing football when it started to rain. C. Past perfect, used for actions that happened before another action in the past. We call this past in the past. For example, I had finished my homework before my friends arrived. She had already left when I got to the station. D. Past perfect continuous for actions that continued up to another point in the past. For example, I had been studying for hours before I took a break. They had been working all day before they went home. Number 3, the future tense, talking about tomorrow and beyond. The future tense talks about things that will happen later. A. Future simple, using will for decisions, predictions, and promises. For example, I will call you tomorrow. The sun will rise at 6:30 a.m. Don't worry, I will help you. These are examples. B. Future continuous. This is used for actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. For example, this time tomorrow, I will be traveling to Lagos. They will be studying when you arrive. C. We have future perfect tense used for actions that will be completed before a certain future time. For example, by next week, I will have finished this project. She will have graduated by June. So you use this to project into the future. D, future perfect continuous. This is used for actions that will be ongoing up to a future point, up to a particular point in the future. For example, by December, I will have been working here for 3 years. They will have been driving for 6 hours by the time they reach the city. Now, and that's it. Past, present, and future tenses made easy. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural these tenses will feel. Try writing your own sentences for each tense and you will see your English improve quickly. If you found this lesson helpful, like this video, subscribe to English Classes Online, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another tip. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next class.